Curry, a megastar in South Indian cuisine, has earned its frequent flyer miles, jet-setting across the globe, from Japan's tonkatsu curry to the spicy Jamaican curry goat, and let's not forget the culinary legend that is Singaporean fish head curry. This mouth-watering delight wasn't just born anywhere. It was the brainchild of an Indian chef back in the 1940s. Here in Chennai, it's a beautiful mix of Chinese influence with a massive fish head and vibrant spices from India. Drizzle some sesame oil into a pot and sizzle those mustard seeds, fenugreek, and a secret stash of spices. Add a handful of fragrant curry leaves and a punch of fresh garlic. Then comes the red onions, turmeric powder, and diced tomatoes. Now for the magic. A dash of rock salt and a pot of tangy tamarind water turns this into a flavorful stew. Now it's time for the entire fish head. And here, the more forehead, the better. Cook for 10 minutes and serve.